Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. So today we are going to be doing eyebrows tutorials. So I found eye pencil from my local Dollar Zone. So I have been liking it lately. It came in this bag right here. So I have 3 of them. I have been using one. Like I said, I have been liking it lately, so I bought 2 extra ones plus a darker eyeliner for my lower lash or my upper lid as well. So just in case they ran out, so I bought 2 extra ones. Always, if you like something, buy extra. So I got it. So this is the one I have been using. So I'm not gonna open this since I already have one. It says the your BSN wooden eyeliner slash lip liner. So this is what the black one looks like. It has the BSN. This is the black, and this is the brown. Okay, it says, yeah, PO2 brown. You can tell from here it is brown. It does has the BSN just like that, as well as this. And then this is the same as well. Like I said, this is the one I have been using lately on my eyebrows, so that's what we're going to be using. So make sure you always sharpen your pencil before you start doing your eyes, okay? So that will help you greatly. So I'm going to, you guys, I have my wipes. I'm going to wipe some of the oil, my moisturizer, off my eyebrows, and and then I'm gonna use a powder to set my brows because I'm a very oily person. So yeah, so I'm going to, if you hear anything, it's the fan, you guys. So I need the fan to keep it moving. Okay guys, so now that I wiped the oil off my eyebrows, so now I'm going to be using my Black Radiant press powder. You guys, it's been a while, so as you can see, I can't really see the number to show you because it's been years, so it wiped off not much. I can't really read it, but any powder would do that you have. So I'm gonna use this to literally set my brows, because some of these pencils that I realized that the oily, whatever they make them with, so to do so, especially when I'm oily as well, I just go ahead and dab my eyebrows like so, to set the part where I'm going to be using just here, not your whole face, just your eyebrows. Okay guys, try to use the same shade as you as much as possible. As you can see, you can't really tell that I'm setting my eyebrows because the powder matches my complexion. Okay, all right, so this is in-depth eyebrow tutorial I'm doing. So you guys, so this is the pencil. So now I'm gonna go ahead, and I have a mirror right in front of me, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my pencil. Again, I have different ways of doing eyebrows, so you really doesn't have to go by what I do. I can change up anytime depending on how I want my eyebrows to look. If you don't like it, which is fine, but for those of you that need help and tips or whatever, this video is for you. If you're already a pro and if you think that my eyebrows ain't like the way it should, thank you for watching. Okay, so no hard feelings, no hating, no nothing. If you don't like it, thank you for watching a few seconds and keep it moving. If you do, give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, so all right, like I said, I'm not a pro. I'm just like you and I, doing eyebrows and try to help another sister out. Okay, that's it. So now we are going to concentrate and then gonna do this. So now I'm gonna try to fast forward the video and no talking and blah blah blah. Okay. So now you're going to fill in your eyebrows, okay? Okay, so don't worry how they look right now because we are going to make it work. I'm gonna do. Okay, so this what I'm doing. So now I'm gonna use my spoolie. Okay. So now I'm going to use my concealer. First, I'm going to clean up here. Okay. So now I'm going to use my brush, you guys. This is from the Dollar Tree. It has this angle here, and this is a concealer way back a couple years ago for MAC, but you can use any one of them. I just chose this today. You can also use a concealer to clean up your eyebrows as well. Whatever works for you is fine. There's no specific rule or rules for eyebrows. Honestly, it all depends what you want. So yeah, you know, so that's what I found today, and that's what I'm going to be using. So dip your brush into and then clean off, okay? If you don't clean the top of your brows, it's also fine. You don't have to. Okay guys, so now we're gonna do the top. Okay, you guys, so this is it right here. So what do you guys think? I don't think it's too much at all, but like I said, if you want to go in and do whatever with it, it's fine as well. But yeah, that's my eyebrows tutorial, you guys. So let me know what you think down below. um, do you like it? Let me know. If you don't like it, it's okay as well. Just let me know in a nicer way, you know, or whatever, what I could have done better or whatsoever. But yeah, and after that I usually go with my Mega Clear Wet n Wild mascara. Like, this sets the whole, this is brow and lash mascara right here. I picked this up from the Dollar Tree as well. So just to set it up, and I mean to set your eyebrows and things. So I just go ahead and just put some. Okay guys, so yeah, you know, so like I say guys, if you let me know what you think. This is my eyebrows. You know, eyebrows are cousins, and you know, they're not meant to be exactly the same or whatsoever. So yeah, you can change up anytime, you can do whatever. And yeah, okay guys, so let me know what you think, but this is the final look. Okay, bye.